This was the first successful cave diving rescue case in China. 5 people dove together into an underwater cave, and after some time exploring, 2 of them got lost on the way back due to the cave's complex structure. The 3 who made it out did not know the exact location of the missing pair, so they called the police for help. On the 5th of February 2025 at 7 p.m., the local police in Beis, Dongjing, received a report about the disappearance in the underwater cave at the Huawang River source. In Now Village, authorities quickly mobilized a professional rescue team and rushed to the scene. The missing individuals were Professor Zhou and his student, Xiao Zhou, part of a biological research team studying the region's underwater ecosystem. However, an accident occurred, filled with strong currents and unpredictable dangers. Generally, missing divers are not found in open water areas since there is no air supply to survive. If they had made it back to the main chamber, they would not have gone missing. Therefore, the search focused on the deeper underwater sections of the cave. Visibility was only about 3 meters with torchlight. To ensure no area was overlooked, divers tirelessly combed through the freezing dark waters. During the search, they heard faint tapping sounds from within an air pocket, a promising sign that the missing divers were still alive. Following the sound, the team intensified their search. After hours of effort, at 4:30 a.m. on the 6th of February, they found Professor Zhou in an air pocket 16 meters underwater, inside the cave's 3rd air chamber, about 30 meters from the entrance. A tense 90-minute operation led to his successful rescue. However, upon learning that his student, Xiao Zhou, was still missing, the professor pleaded for the search to continue. Over the next 3 days, the team inspected more than 10 underwater air pockets, but found no trace of him. The divers were reaching their physical limits. Just as hope was fading, the rescue team leader spotted a motionless hand floating in an air pocket 50 meters from the entrance. Fearing the worst, they approached and discovered that Xiao Zhou was still conscious but extremely weak. He had clung to the cave wall, surviving for over 60 hours. Once secured, Xiao Zhou recalled seeing underwater lights the previous day and throwing his diving gear into the water to attract attention, but without success. After 3 days without food, he was so weak that he initially thought the rescuers were hallucinations. The mission was not yet over. To escape, Xiao Zhou needed to dive 28 meters deep and swim 50 meters to the surface. However, as a beginner diver, he was only certified for a maximum depth of 18 meters. Given his fragile condition, diving deeper posed severe risks. To ensure his safety, 3 divers escorted him. Poor visibility and his weakened state made the journey treacherous. At one point, he nearly lost hold of the guide rope, but a quick-thinking diver grabbed him just in time. After 69 hours of relentless effort, both researchers were successfully rescued. Later, they reported discovering Jinqianba, a rare golden fish species.